quarterback keeper. May have to bring out the measurement sticks for this one. And a 3 by Mr. Good tackling there by the Bird Dogs. Good tackle there. Flag on the play.
Got a sweet pass to the left. Breaking the tackle. Not quite the first down, but Bird Dogs hold on. Bird Dogs ball. All right, got a quarterback keeper. He breaking the tackle. 2, 3. Vols make the tackle on the 36-yard line. First down, Bird. Again. Do the same play, direct snap. He keeps him with one cut. Breaks it to the outside. Breaks another tackle. Oh, he's still up. He's still up. And he's down. Tackled by a swarm of balls. That results in another Bird Dogs first down. And another quick snap, same play. Looks like he's a stretch point. Oh, another first down on the 41-yard line. Bird Dogs now in Vols territory. Bird Dogs running the same exact play to the same exact side. And he's breaking. He is on the 22-yard line, looks like. He goes out by the ball. Bird Dogs on the field. Snap to the other side this time. Great blocks on the outside. He cuts in and out. Makes the man miss. Gets tackled. Down on about the 13-yard line. Hurry up play on this. He's going to the right. He makes a cut. Ooh, a nice tackle right there by 2 by the field. We got a flag on the play. Got a holder on number 20 for the Bird Dogs. Vols adjusting on defense as well as the Bird Dogs on offense. Let's see if they change it up a little bit. That's Vols coming. Bird Dogs check to the sideline. Check the beat play. Get a quick snap to the left. He's in the outside. Step on. Look like a face mask right there on the pin of that wheel. Be some yards attached to it. Automatic first down. Hopefully he's okay after that play. also today want to really promote sportsmanship. No matter who wins the game, keep your sportsmanship. That's a Bird Dawg first down. He marked off half distance to the goal line. Bird Dawg's adjusting again, ready for the quick snap. Volunteers adjusting again. Oh, we have a referee's timeout. Timeout on for the Volunteers. Volunteers want to think about it at the timeout. So it's just this. We have a first down on the 5-yard line. Bird Dawg, same formation, strong side to the right. And he makes a catch. Oh, his tackle might get stopped right there at the edge, like he's about an inch or two short from the goal line. Bird Dawg's playing straight Iron Man football right now. Bird Dawg's on the Volunteers are a little confused right now. Well, it's the Bird Dawg. Making an adjustment. Direct snap to the left side. Keep the outside block. Touchdown, Bird Dawg. That's 9.5 yards of play. Quarterback keeps it up the middle. Is he in? He is in. That's an extra point scored for the Bird Dawg. Bird Dawg's lead in second quarter. Set up for the kickoff. And the ball's in the air. It is recovered safely and covered up smartly by the Volunteers at the 40 championships. Volunteers go with an air attack and he catches on the jet sweep. Makes a man miss. He's fumbled. Recovered by the Bird Dawgs. That was supposed to be another Bird Dawg first down starting from their own 45-yard line. Man with a big play. Got another direct snap to the quarterback. Quarterback keeps it up the middle. He breaks the tackle, breaks another one. It's taking about 3 or 4 guys to get him down. He is close to another first down. That's some hard, tough running right there. Oh, the quarterback fumbles and recovered by the Volunteers. What a big change of turns right here. Volunteers are coming right around where they started at on the swivel. Covering these 2 fumbles. Our Volunteers line up this time in the wing T formation. They go to jet sweep. He cuts to the right. Let's see what number it is. He's slammed by a Bird Dawg, swarmed by the rest of the team. Tackled by at least 9 Bird Dawgs. Back to the trips to the left side. A bunch formation. Fake bubble screen. Just the middle dive. Tough running right here by the running back. Well, tough. Did he fumble again? It is another fumble recovered by the Bird Dawg. There's also another Bird Dawg first down. We got to protect that ball. Bird Dawg keeping the same formation. All right, Bird Dawg's going to the right side. Is he trying to pass? He is trying to pass. Ball is in the air. Oh, it is dropped. Great accuracy on the play. Second and 10. Going right to the direct snap. And we have a flag on the play to stop the play. Let's check to see what the call was. Penalty will be on the Volunteers. Another snap to the quarterback. He keeps it this time up to the left side. He's definitely on the first down at about the 40-yard line. Bird Dawgs are getting deeper in Volunteers territory. Bird Dawgs. Quick snap again. He keeps to the left side. He makes a man miss, makes another man miss. He is still on his feet until he's pushed out of bounds by the Volunteers. Close to another Bird Dawg first down. All right, we'll snap again. Going up the middle, cuts back to the left side. He may go all of the way. Touchdown, Bird Dawgs. That play was about a 29-yard run. Oh, that looks like it's a mishandled snap. Recovered by Volunteers. The extra point is not susceptible, but the Bird Dogs are still up 13-0. Now this is only a 2-score game. We can tell right now. All right, adjustment made by the Volunteers. Look like a little confusion right now. Waiting on the whistle. And it's not quite going to make it. Volunteers want to walk away because that ball did not travel 10 yards. That is a very smart play by the Volunteers. That's a great coaching right there. To know not to touch that ball before 10 yards. Great job, volunteer coaches and athletes. All right, we're going to add some time back to this. Waiting on what the adjustment needs to be. All right, Volunteers line up on about 48-yard line. Got the snap, got a toss to the right. Is it a halfback pass? It is. And it is nearly intercepted by the Bird Dogs, or attempted and completed to the Volunteers. Volunteers trying to communicate right now on what exactly they wanted to do right there. That was a great call by the coaches. Volunteers lining up on second down. Second and 10 to go. Oh, look like the power out. Got a little fake. Quarterback dodges it on the minute, dodges another. Because he hurt it. He is still up, people. He is still up. And he finally brought down on the 40-yard line. That's going to be just about 3rd and 3, a long 3. Volunteers starting to get a little momentum going. We got an injured man down on the going there, whether the confidence good enough. All right, Elon will single back formation 4 wide. Quarterback is back. Like a little swing pass here to the big fella. And he is swarmed by the Bird Dogs. That's going to make it a 4th and about 8. A loss of about 7 yards in the play. That is looking like it's starting to come around. All right, we got a little jet sweep here to the left. He keeps it, and he is stopped with a big hit. That will make the show this week. On the 40-yard line, that is a turnover down. 40-yard line. 1st and 10. Substitution coming in. And the Bird Dogs are going back to that quick snap. Quarterback by himself. And he's going to the left side. He has an outside block. A little flag on the play. Look like it might be the holding, but also maybe a possible face mask there. He might be redoing this play right now. All right. Clock stop with 36.7 seconds left in the half. With the Bird Dogs on the move. College Volunteers needs a big stop right here. Because the Bird Dogs momentum on offense is in zone bound every time. All right, so we have a holding on the board on the Bird Dogs. Is that horse collar on the Volunteers? She's going to replay the first down. Don't line up again. I guess it's still in the same formation. They're spreading out a little bit. Confusion. Ooh, a nice tackle from behind with the Volunteers to stop the Bird Dogs about 4 yards short from the first down. It looked like that was about a 6-yard carry. It was coming from the Bird Dogs sideline. No huddle offense. And like they attempted to pass, the ball is in the air. And it is caught over the shoulder to the 39-yard line, but we do have a flag on the play. That pass was caught by Mr. White again. I think it's Caven. Is it Caven? Caven White. Caven White. All right, that's going to be the last play of the half. We're going to go on halftime. Remember, check out the concession stands in the Sports District. All right, we have another onside kick. Ooh, bubble. Covered by the Bird Dogs. That Bird Dog offense. All right, so we got a quarterback sweep to the left. This, ooh, nice little run over right here. Might have collided, but not before meeting another big guy. got some split. Quarterback sweep to the right side. This time he cuts back in. That is Tyler Whitehead. But they haven't seen a lot of him. And he in the outside. Oh my God! He got all the way. One man to beat. Pulled out of bounds. That was a touchdown, set the tackle right there. Bird Dawgs on the move, deep game formation. I got a quarterback sweep to the left. He keeps in the middle, going outside. That's Mr. Whitehead again, breaking the tackle. Makes the man miss. He's on the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 touchdown. Bird Dawgs. Not another touchdown. All right, for the first time we'll fake a handoff. That's Mr. Whitehead again up the middle. He just scored a touchdown as well as an extra point. Bird Dawgs up 20-0. Trying to find some type of rhythm on the other bus pulling up. Again, just a reminder, all championship games today will be over $10. Half the proceeds will be going to the CMYFL volunteer program. Fully counts position. And we have a kickoff return right to the 46-yard. All right, how about pass is dropped, nearly intercepted. A little tricky. Volunteers to a dive up the middle. Tough, hard yards, breaking some tackles. For about 6 yards on the carry. Bird Dawgs was looking at it. Bird Dawgs goes for the jet sweep to the left side. Volunteers do. He's breaking tackles. Hold on to that ball. He does hold on to the ball, but he's still short of the first down. It'll be a 4th and about 3. Volunteers back in wing T formation. Go up the middle again, Brandon, but if it's not broke, then don't fix it. That is a first down for the Volunteers on the 37. Back in wing T formation. The handoff, the fake, coming back around the corner. He does in and out. He dives for maybe a yard. His shit right now. Back in wing T formation. Like a little J sweep. Oh, and a nice tackle in the backfield. By the Bird Dawgs. That's awesome about the first down to keep this drive going. All right, looks back. Quarterback keeps it, and it's a sack in the backfield for another few yards lost. That's going to result in a long 4th down 10-yard line. Clock is on 8 minutes. And it's a pass on a wide open receiver, and he completes it. They can hold on to the ball after having taken a tough hit there. All right, that's a quarterback keeper again up the middle for about 6 yards. That clock is moving though. Pay close attention to that. He's going up the middle to the right side now. And he's broken again. He broke about 3 tackles right there. That was number 9. Again, this time to the big fella. Kevin White. And he keeps it. Mr. White with the in and out cut. He gets the outside. He is very hard to tackle. 1 man to beat. Possible. Line up again quickly. 5. And the whole Volunteer off defense is offsides on this play. Offsides on the Volunteers. That's a 5-yard. So first 10, we're going to 1st and 5. Great distance by the Bird Dawgs. As a reminder, these games will be available at the 10 right after the game. As soon as you leave from the trophy place, games will be available for sale. Championship games will be $10 a day. Bird Dogs on another carry right now. He goes in and out. Shoestring tackle right there on right on the 30-yard line. Bird Dog do a shift to the left. That's something they see in the volunteer defense. That's a low snap, but he does recover it. Goes right up the middle, breaking about 2 tackles. Tough, hard run. That's on another first down. Another keeper to the left. And that is another broken tackle before pushed out of bounds. Their 10U championship, going for 2 championships today for the organization. 8U just had one the game before. Got a man in motion this time, but a keeper again. Up the middle, breaks the tackle, breaks another, and he's going to walk into the end zone at the end. He's making it look easy. The Bird Dogs looking to go for the extra point now. And they're going to take it to the outside and jog into the end zone. That's 20. They kick it down the field. Volunteers recover. He looks one way, goes back the other, head to the sideline. He might have some green to go. Can he outrun everybody? He's pushed out of bounds. Just need about 2 more inches on that side. Bird Dogs licking their chops on defense as they have nearly almost played a nearly perfect game today. Volunteers finally get together what they want to do. Quarterback drops back. He looks to the right. Dodges the person. Is swarmed by Bird Dogs. The flag on the play, possibly a face mask or horse collar on the play. Got 47 seconds, 0.9 left in the game. I think it's safe to say that the Bird Dogs will be your 10U CMYFL champions. We just don't know by how many points yet. The Volunteers score. End on a good note for the 2016 CMYFL City Championships. What I hear, both teams are still going to the national. Got Brian Drake at the 10. Got a toss right here. To the right, it's a halfback pass. And it is completed. Makes a man miss, makes 2 men miss. He's run down by a swarm of Bird Dogs on the 19-yard line. Bird Dogs, make some noise.